Okay, hey, since my last video, tutorial video on the how to use the AliExpress platform, right? To create affiliated links and post that on your video to promote products that you are using. For example, such a thing like the Boya noise cancelling portable mic. So here, because I received such a good viewership plus a lot of engagement from my audience, I'm going to redo another time this tutorial, the same example using AliExpress and showing you through the AliExpress affiliated portal how to get your dedicated link, affiliated link, so that you can post that on your video to promote any products that you are using. And through that, when somebody click the link and buy through your affiliated link, right, you actually receive a commission from the merchant. So here we go. Okay, so here we are. And over here, I've already opened up my own AliExpress affiliate portal, and this is the page whereby you can generate a dedicated link. And where do we get the link in the first place? And this is the window to paste it, right? Which is it's pretty self-explanatory. It says here page URL. So where exactly do we get this page URL? So we go over here. I've opened up another page which is a shopping portal. Now for this instance, I use this product, Boya, okay, portable mic, okay, which is something that I have here. I'm a user of this and I'm a big fan of Boya noise cancelling portable mic. So over here, let's say we pick this one, right? And we click on this this product, and out comes this can you see on top here, right? The product page URL. So what we do is we copy this, right? We copy this URL from the search bar, and then we go back here to the affiliate page, and then paste this page URL over here and click on get tracking link. And in a very quick time, in a few seconds, they will generate for you a dedicated affiliate link. That means something that is related to you. So when someone click on this link, when you market using this link, right, this product, for example, and when the sales is completed using your affiliated link, right, the merchant will be able to track that this is sales completion related to you, and through that, the designated commission will be calculated and being issued to you. I believe is on a weekly basis as you make your withdrawal, right? Okay. So once this link is done, you just click on copy, right? And after that, you can go over to your video, and then you make your video to, probably you make a video that talks about this mic, or your review about this mic, right? After using it, okay, product review of this mic, and thereafter paste this link, right, over at your video so that your potential customer can click on it and go to their buying page and buy the product through your link, right? I hope this helps. Okay, I hope you have watched my tutorial, my short tutorial carefully, and actually take down notes of how you can join as an affiliate on the AliExpress platform. Now, I strongly recommend that as an affiliate, right, or you want to market any of the other brands, their products, right, I strongly recommend you to learn the attraction marketing strategies and tactics, which I can provide you some free resources, right? By you commenting below this video, attraction marketing, I will send some powerful information, especially on the strategies and tactics of how to apply attraction marketing, because at the core of attraction marketing, right, it teaches you how to build personal branding so that you actually attract your potential customers to come forward to interact with especially your content, and subsequently leading up to a conversation of the potential of closing a sales with your potential customers. So when you master attraction marketing strategies and tactics, right, and actually set it up using digital systems, right, literally you can market anything, right? And when I meant anything is that any product or services that chosen to undertake to help to market for the merchant, right? Whether be it you position yourself as an affiliate marketer, or you are a network marketer, which is also also a form of affiliate marketing, right? Or you are a direct seller, you are e-commerce and all for that sort, right? So long as you're helping to sell someone else's products, right? So you can apply attraction marketing strategies and tactics, right, for the long term. So I hope this tip helps you. So I strongly encourage you to comment below this video, attraction marketing, so you can receive from me a very powerful information, the blueprint of how do you use digital systems to apply attraction marketing strategies and tactics so that you can market any product that you want. Okay, so I hope this tutorial helps you, and I'll see you in my next video. And um, should you need help in undertaking new products, right, new brands, right, by all means, comment at the same time attraction marketing, because I can also give you recommendations of reliable merchant or brands, like international brands, so that you can use that to practice your attraction marketing strategies. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video.